like the nice tag of value high, especially with the Foggy Boggy that fired here. These, damn Foggenbaum levels. This is such a great tutorial. Can you guys see how this is the top of value? But interestingly enough, I used to call this a claw. I could get off a half an hour talking about this. But you can see that what should happen here is price should get trapped inside of here. And just like a Pong game, it should just go back and forth. Boom, 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 boom. And basically just fill all this in. That's what should happen. Notice on the top claw is 4.669. That's crazy. I can't believe that actually is real. And also, too, there's a trend line that lines up nicely with that going way back when. And 2.618 is the other side of the claw. So looking for that rally back to 2.618, that's almost like a no-brainer there. Test value high, and that's what I sort of put there. And sure enough, look at that, son of a... So it went zipping straight up into 2.618 and blasted through there. Boom. And look what happened. It jumped into the claw. We rallied up to the 4669, the top of the claw. And can you see how price is backing and forthing here? Because it's probably now going to just slowly fill the claw in. Can you guys see that? Isn't that remarkable? Absolutely remarkable. And if I'm not mistaken, I think price is even backing off away from here. What should happen, if anything, is I think we should actually come back down and kiss value high from the other side. So let's go see what happened here. Yeah, look at that. Son of a... So you can see 4669 is basically, can you see how price is like literally getting chaotic, i.e. chaos theory. Look at this massive wick, huge tail. Does the market know what it wants to do right here? Does price know what it wants to do? I'd say no. I would say right now, this is literally the definition of chaos. We are oscillated up, then oscillated down, then oscillated up. So ran all the guys that were like, okay, this is the top, sell this, that's an easy trade. No, screw you, you're gone. Okay, well, everybody's like, okay, this is a double bottom breakout. It's not really, but this is a breakout, right? No, let's run those stops. Screw you. And then they bring it right back. Notice these are basically, if we did, let's do a nice little trivia question for you. What is the name of the concept that we teach? And it's a pretty generic concept. But what do we call these two candles? If we took these two candles and we smushed them together, what would we call that? Is there a concept at TRI that we use that is along those lines? No? Well, good guess. Good try. No, if you take these two candles and you smush them together, I don't think you're going to get a railroad tracks. Candle math. Thank you, Josie. You awesome. Right? If we've got a shooting star, which means I have a body that looks like that. And we've got a hammer, which is another body that looks like that. And the candle all the way down there. Or the tail, beg your pardon, tail all the way down there. So if I smush these better together, and I'm going to create a candle body that's basically, there's the low and there's the high. And I'm going to create a huge wick up here and a huge tail down here. What do we call that kind of pattern? And this is where I can see where you guys were like, okay, that's a doji, so that must be Joby. God rest your soul, Joby. Nice. I can't wait to see you when I get over on the other side. It'll be good to see you again, sir. But nope. Geez, look at that. I can't get a freaking straight line. Maybe Brian's got to go to rehab. Get off the sauce, Brian. Then you can draw a goddamn straight line. Just kidding. So what do we call that kind of candle? Right, where you got this huge wick up here, huge tail down here, two little bodies. What do we call that? If we smush that together and do Josie's candlestick math. That's what I was looking for. The answer I was looking for was candlestick math, which of course we teach. And if you're in the level 1 program, you're not going to learn this until When do we do this? Maybe in the candlesticks module? Maybe in the fibs module. I can't remember. Anyway, so doji. What does doji mean? Does doji mean something to traders? If they see a doji on the chart, what does that mean? What does doji mean? Thank you, Josie. Josie, you're getting this. That's good to see. Indecision. Yeah, that's one way to put it. Thank you, Jay. So, point here is, what's doji mean? Doji means indecision. Could we also say it means chaos? Seems logical, doesn't it? Does the market really know what it wants to do here? So, what a beautiful analogy of 4.669.